Self-practice 4.13, question 6. Okay, I think there are certain typos in this question. Okay, let me tell you first. The air pressure given in Hg, I think this is wrong. It should be given in mmHg because pressure is measured in mmHg or cmHg. Okay, so I think here they forgot to add mm. And here the height 10 kilometers above sea level, I don't think the 10 kilometers supposed to be there. Okay, I think it's just the height above sea level. Right. So what they're trying to say is the pressure at a height above sea level is given by this formula. So pressure is 760 e power negative 0.125 h. Okay, where h is the height and p is the pressure. So they want us to determine the height, which is h, when the pressure is 380. So when this is 380, they want us to find h. So we can say equals to 380. Okay, the pressure is 380, we need to make h the subject now. So first let's bring 760 over this side, so it becomes divide. So 380 divided 760 is just 1 over 2. Yeah, so it's just 0.5. Okay, so we have e power of this is 0.5. Okay, now what do we do? So the law of log states that if we have e to the power of x, when we move the e here, the x drops down, then this becomes log base e5. Okay, when e you bring here, it becomes log base e. And log base e is just ln, so ln 5. So we apply the same rule here for this question. So e we move this side, so negative 0.125h drops down. This becomes log base e5. Okay, or you can write it as ln 5. Sorry, ln 0.5. Okay, 0.5, sorry, not 5. Huh? Okay, then we make h the subject. So we get ln 0.5 divided by negative 0.125. We get 5.545. H is kilometers, so km. Done. Okay, so we can conclude that at a height above sea level of this much kilometers or this many kilometers, we get a pressure of 380 mm mercury. Hg stands for mercury. So at this height, we get this pressure.